Welcome to our exploration of how science shapes the way we think and act. Scientific thinking is more than memorizing facts, it's about questioning, investigating, and understanding the world around us. In this video, we'll break down the core methods scientists use to approach problems, make discoveries, and apply their knowledge. Let's begin by understanding what scientific thinking really means and why it's so important in everyday life. As we move forward, you'll see how these ways of thinking are not just for scientists, they're useful for anyone curious about the world. Every scientific journey begins with curiosity. Scientists constantly ask questions about their surroundings, wondering why things happen the way they do. This curiosity drives them to explore, observe, and seek answers. Whether it's a child asking why the sky is blue or a researcher probing the mysteries of the universe, curiosity is the spark that ignites scientific inquiry. By nurturing curiosity, we open the door to new discoveries and a deeper understanding of our world. Observation is a fundamental skill in science. Scientists carefully watch and record what happens in their experiments or in nature. These observations help them notice patterns, differences, and unexpected results. By paying close attention, scientists gather valuable data that forms the basis for further investigation. Observation isn't just about seeing, it's about noticing details, asking questions, and being open to surprises. This skill is essential for anyone wanting to think like a scientist. After observing, scientists move on to formulating questions. These questions guide their investigations and help them focus on specific aspects of a problem. A well-crafted question is clear, focused, and testable. For example, instead of asking, "Why do plants grow?" a scientist might ask, "How does sunlight affect plant growth?" This step is crucial because it sets the direction for research and experimentation, ensuring that the inquiry is meaningful and productive. Once a question is formed, scientists develop hypotheses. A hypothesis is an educated guess about what might happen or why something occurs. It's based on prior knowledge, observations, and logical reasoning. For example, a scientist might hypothesize that plants exposed to more sunlight will grow taller. Hypotheses are important because they provide a starting point for experiments and help scientists predict outcomes. This step is all about making informed assumptions that can be tested. The hypothesis in hand, scientists design experiments to test their ideas. Experimentation involves planning how to collect data, control variables, and ensure fair testing. Scientists decide what materials to use, how to measure results, and what steps to follow. Good experiment design is systematic and organized, allowing for reliable and repeatable results. This process helps scientists gather evidence to support or refute their hypotheses. Data collection is a critical part of scientific work. Scientists gather information from their experiments, observations, or surveys. This data can be numbers, measurements, or descriptions. Accurate data collection ensures that the results are trustworthy and meaningful. Scientists use tools like rulers, thermometers, and computers to record their findings. Careful data collection helps build a strong foundation for analysis and conclusion. After collecting data, scientists analyze their results. This means looking for patterns, trends, or differences in the information gathered. Analysis helps scientists understand what the data means and whether it supports their hypothesis. They might use graphs, charts, or statistical methods to make sense of the numbers. This step is essential for drawing meaningful conclusions and advancing scientific knowledge. Drawing conclusions is where scientists decide whether their hypothesis was correct. Based on the analysis, they summarize what they learned and explain the significance of their findings. Sometimes the results confirm the hypothesis, other times they reveal unexpected outcomes. This step helps scientists communicate their discoveries and consider what to investigate next. It's a moment of reflection and learning, guiding future research. Science thrives on communication. Scientists share their results with others through reports, presentations, or publications. This sharing allows others to review, critique, and build upon the findings. Open communication helps science progress and ensures that discoveries benefit everyone. By sharing results, scientists invite collaboration and encourage new questions, keeping the cycle of inquiry alive. Peer review is a key part of scientific work. Before results are published, other scientists examine the research for accuracy and reliability. This process helps catch mistakes, improve methods, and ensure high standards. Peer review encourages honesty and transparency, making science stronger. It's a way for scientists to learn from each other and maintain trust in scientific findings. Sometimes experiments don't go as planned. Scientists may need to revise their hypotheses based on new data or unexpected results. This flexibility is essential in science. Revising hypotheses shows that science is a dynamic process, always open to change and improvement. It's about learning from mistakes and adapting to new information, which leads to better understanding and progress. Critical thinking is at the heart of scientific practice. Scientists question assumptions, evaluate evidence, and consider alternative explanations. This skill helps them avoid bias and make informed decisions. Critical thinking is not just for scientists, it's valuable for anyone making choices or solving problems. By practicing critical thinking, we become better learners and thinkers. Science is all about solving problems. Scientists use logical reasoning, creativity, and persistence to find solutions. They break big problems into smaller parts, test different approaches, and learn from failures. Problem solving is a skill that helps us tackle challenges in science and in life. By thinking like a scientist, we can approach problems with confidence and curiosity. Science is rarely done alone. Collaboration is vital for sharing ideas, resources, and expertise. Scientists work in teams, combining their strengths to solve complex problems. Collaboration leads to new perspectives and faster progress. By working together, scientists can achieve more than they could individually, making science a truly collective effort. Creativity is essential in science. Scientists use imagination to design experiments, interpret results, and solve problems. Creative thinking helps them see possibilities others might miss. Science and art may seem different, but both rely on creativity to make breakthroughs. By encouraging creative thinking, science becomes more innovative and exciting. Ethics guide scientists in making responsible choices. They ensure that experiments are safe, honest, and respectful of people and the environment. Ethical thinking helps scientists avoid harm and build trust. By following ethical guidelines, science serves society and protects its values. Ethics are a cornerstone of scientific practice, shaping how research is conducted. Failure is a natural part of science. Experiments don't always work, but each failure teaches valuable lessons. Scientists learn what doesn't work, adjust their methods, and try again. Embracing failure helps build resilience and encourages continuous improvement. By learning from mistakes, scientists move closer to success and discovery. Science is always evolving. When new evidence emerges, scientists adapt their theories and methods. This flexibility keeps science accurate and relevant. Adapting to new evidence means letting go of old ideas and embracing change. It's a sign of strength, not weakness, and helps science stay true to its mission of understanding the world. Scientists use models to explain complex ideas. Models can be physical objects, diagrams, or computer simulations. They help scientists visualize processes, make predictions, and communicate findings. Models are simplified representations, but they are powerful tools for understanding and teaching science. By using models, scientists can test ideas and share knowledge more effectively. Scientific theory is a well-tested explanation for a wide range of phenomena. Theories are built from evidence and refined over time. They help scientists make sense of the world and predict future events. Unlike guesses, theories are supported by data and accepted by the scientific community. Understanding theories helps us appreciate the depth and reliability of scientific knowledge. Scientific laws describe patterns in nature that are always true under certain conditions. Laws are based on repeated observations and experiments. For example, Newton's laws of motion explain how objects move. Laws help scientists make predictions and understand how the universe works. They are fundamental truths that guide scientific inquiry. Technology and science are closely linked. Scientific discoveries lead to new technologies, and technology helps scientists explore further. Tools like microscopes, computers, and satellites expand our ability to observe and experiment. Technology makes science more powerful and accessible, enabling breakthroughs that change our lives. Science isn't just for laboratories, it's everywhere. From cooking to gardening, science helps us make decisions and solve problems. Understanding scientific thinking makes us better consumers, citizens, and learners. By applying scientific methods, we can improve our lives and make informed choices every day. Science shapes society in countless ways. It informs public policy, drives innovation, and improves health. Scientists work with governments, businesses, and communities to solve big challenges. By understanding science, we can participate in important conversations and help shape the future. Science is a global effort. Researchers from around the world share ideas, data, and discoveries. Global collaboration helps solve problems like climate change, disease, and energy. By working together, scientists can tackle challenges that affect everyone, making science a force for good worldwide. Education is key to scientific progress. Teaching science helps people develop critical thinking, curiosity, and problem-solving skills. Science education prepares the next generation of innovators and leaders. By learning science, we empower ourselves to make informed decisions and contribute to society. Effective communication helps science reach everyone. Scientists use clear language, visuals, and stories to explain their work. Good communication makes science accessible and inspires curiosity. By sharing science, we build understanding and encourage more people to explore and learn. Future of science is bright and full of possibilities. New technologies, discoveries, and collaborations will shape the world in ways we can't yet imagine. By embracing scientific thinking and doing, we prepare ourselves for a future of innovation and progress. Science will continue to solve problems, answer questions, and inspire wonder for generations to come. Summary: science is a way of thinking and doing that transforms our understanding of the world. By asking questions, experimenting, analyzing, and sharing, scientists and all of us can make discoveries and solve problems. Scientific thinking is not just for professionals, it's a valuable skill for everyone. Let's continue to nurture curiosity, embrace challenges, and use science to make our lives and our world better.